Hello everyone, my name is Bagwan, a final year B.Tech student from the Department of Cyber Security at GHRCEM College of Engineering and Management, Pune. Today, I am here to present our major project titled JusticeAssist Guided Cybercrime Reporting and Evidence Builder. This work has been completed by me and my team members Huzaifa, Shaikh and Siddhi Gagde under the esteemed guidance of Professor Sunita Vani Ma'am with the additional support from our co-guide Professor Sonavani Ma'am. We are also grateful to our head of department Dr. Deepika Azalkar Ma'am and our major coordinator Professor Rupali Parte Ma'am for their continuous encouragement throughout the development process. In today's presentation, I will first introduce the core idea behind our project, followed by the problem statement, motivation, and objective. After that, I will explain the technical implementation in detail, feature-wise and module-wise, so you can clearly understand how each part of the system works. Let's start with our problem statement. Victims of cybercrime often find it extremely difficult to identify threats, recognize the type of crime, understand what evidence is required, and prepare a formally structured complaint. They struggle with the suspect identification, navigating complex legal procedure, and interpreting digital clues such as URLs, documents, chat messages, or screenshots. Because of these challenges, many people end up submitting incomplete or unclear reports, which affects the overall outcome of their complaint. Our project aims to solve this problem through a guided and automated digital system. The motivation behind this project comes from observing how rapidly cyber crimes are rising and how unprepared common users are when it comes to identifying and reporting this crime. We have realized that even educated individuals often hesitate while drafting cybercrime complaints because the language, format, and technical details can be confusing. We want to build a solution that combines technology like OCR, NLP, and AI with a simple user interface so that anyone, regardless of technical background, can file a clear, complete, and accurate complaint. Let us go with the objective slide. The main objective of JusticeAssist are to simplify and streamline cybercrime reporting through an easy-use guided interface. Second, to automatically extract information from images, screenshot, PDF, and documents using OCR and NLP. To analyze suspect connect using AI, suggest the crime category, threat level, and possible suspect pattern. To generate a professionally structured PDF complaint that aligns with the format required on official cybercrime portals, and to educate users through awareness tools and provide multilingual support to make reporting accessible for a wider audience. Though this objective, JusticeAssist aims to support victims at every step, from understanding the threat to preparing the final digital report. Now let us go with our poster. The poster explains that JusticeAssist introduces an AI-driven approach to cybercrime reporting by combining OCR, NLP, and automated PDF generation. It converts unstructured evidence such as chats, documents, and screenshots into properly formatted legal complaints with multilingual support and awareness tools. The methodology section covers our complete development process, the Flask backend and React frontend setup, the JWT-based authentication, user-linked report submission, and OCR plus NLP pipeline for evidence extraction, AI guidance using LLMs, dashboards for submitted reports, API testing using Postman, future scope like multilingual expansion and government API integration. Let us discuss the scalability. The poster also shows our modular backend architecture handles concurrent users, heavy evidence file, and parallel AI processing. Solution like SQL Alchemy, optimized OCR pipelines, and JWT-based session ensures long-term scalability and smooth performance. The innovation section highlights AI-powered suspect and crime guidance, OCR-driven automated evidence extraction, legally structured smart report generation, a secure module backend with the scalable API design, The system architecture diagram outlines the entire workflow from OCR extraction to AI interpretation, metadata analysis, and PDF generation. The output section shows sample API result confirming successful backend implementation. Now, let us discuss about the technical implementation. I have opened the VS Code. Here you can see the front end, here back end. Let me explain the tech stack. In front end, we have used React JS, Axos, React Router. In back end, we have mainly used Flask, Python, SQL Alchemy, ORM. Authentication, we have used JWT based secure login. AI integration, we used Gemini and OpenAI. For OCR, we have used Google Vision API per Tesseract. PDF generation, we have used Python PDF libraries. For queue system, we have used Redis server plus RQ worker. Database, we have used MySQL and SQL Alchemy models. So let me start with the implementation. First, I will open Ubuntu. Now we have opened Ubuntu to start the Redis server. I use the Redis server because it works as fast in memory queue where heavy background tasks can be stored temporarily. Operation like OCR extraction, AI analysis, PDF generation, and file processing take time, and running them directly inside the API would slow down the entire backend. So therefore, Redis allows this task to be placed in a queue without blocking the user, ensuring server stays responsive and can handle multiple users at the same time. Our Redis server is deployed. Now I will minimize it. Now we will start our backend. Here we also need to start the RQ worker. The RQ worker is actually an engine that picks tasks from Redis queue and execute them in the background. This is the command we are using to start the RQ worker. This makes the system scalable and prevents delay. It also prevents the crashes or request timeout during heavy processing. Now let me just start the front end. The user authentication module uses a simple and secure JWT based mechanism. When a user registers, their password is hashed and safely stored in the database. During the login, we validate the credential and issue a JWT token, which the front end stores securely and sends with every protected API request. Let us log in now. Here is the dashboard of our project. Here we can see total reports submitted. When the report is analyzed, here we can see the report is analyzed. It is all shown here. Data is there. Here reports by suspect profile. It is divided into categories. These are the services provided. Let me show you. This is the get guidance. The get guidance feature help user describe their cyber incident in a structured manner as the user fills the details and uploads the evidence. So first here they can, if they want to know more information, they can go to know more, where they can also access to our videos from here guidance form, or we can also go from your complaint form. This is the cybercrime guidance form. In this, report generation is happening. So your name, address, email, phone, state, city, complaint category, what is incident date and time, this user should fill. See, this is there. Here user can access to direct. I will add your email phishing test. Once the user submits the portal, report has been submitted and the AI analysis has started and will appear on your dashboard shortly. Here download PDF option is also there, that they can download directly on the dashboard. Here the report is been submitted and the analysis process will be started. I will show you how it is running in the backend. Here you can see in the backend, executing tool, inspect URLs. There are 4 actually tools used. One is for web search, one is for who is my IP, and 4 to 5 we have inserted tools. Here you can see it is running the web search arguments. The AI itself decide based on the user information that which tool should be generated. Here it is showing result is generated. So let us go to our project. Here it is show analyze and the project is analysis. Now let's see what we have. It has generated a report. Here user submitted details is there, that JSON file that I uploaded. It has provided the description. AI forensic analysis has been run. It has determined the incident type. It has also given us the suspected profile and the summary, and here are the key findings in which it is used phishing domain, what phishing domains has been used, sender impersonation, the email originated from, and fabricated IP address, evidence file discrepancy, context, conclusion. If there are indicators of compromise, it will also provide here. So basically, after collecting all details, the report generation feature automatically creates a well structured, legally formatted PDF complaint. The backend organizes the user's input, OCR text, and AI analysis into clear narrative suitable for official cybercrime reporting. And the second feature is AI chatbot. They can access to our chatbot directly, or here they can go to the AI assistant. If they want to chat directly, then we have trained our AI bot with the help of the cyber laws and the cybercrime categories. I will show you here. It is claiming I have received a message claiming that my bank account will be suspended unless I update my KYC through a link. Can you tell me what type of cybercrime this is and what should I do? This is a prompt. If he does not mention that what type of cybercrime this and what should I do, then also it will provide the proper. This is a phishing KYC fraud. Do not click the link or share details. Immediately block the center. It is also showing which section is involved and what IT act is used, what punishment will be there, because we have trained this AI on this model. Now let us go to the forensic analysis tool. This is the tool in which OCR is used. In forensic analysis tool, it performs a rule-based examination of the extracted text to detect red flag patterns such as suspicious URLs, pressure-based language, financial request, or high-risk keywords. This tool does not rely on AI alone. Instead, it uses deterministic check that complement the AI interpretation. The combination of forensic scoring and AI evaluation gives users a more reliable risk assessment of the cyber incident. So let us test this. Here analysis is started. This is a one AI generated image made for test. It is that verify your account immediately. The user have received such kind of mail, and the analysis is complete. Here download PDF report, then the PDF can be reported and the summary is here. So first suspected profile, as it is shown that it is AI generated, that it has countered that is AI generated, and it has given us the key findings and evidence that phishing indicators. This email exhibits classic phishing characteristics including urgency and threat, spelling, grammar errors, though it also gives us a conclusion. So this is our forensic analysis tool. The user can use this to stay informed, learn how to identify threats, and avoid becoming victims of cybercrime in future. Let us go to the cyber awareness. This is a awareness tab. Here they can see how much how details are there, report and get guidance. Here the user can go and take quizzes to increase the awareness. What should you do if you receive a suspicious email? Do not click, and it goes on. If it is wrong, it's wrong. Here user can read the blogs. What about introduction, creating strong password management? All this is included in this. If you user want to know about the cyber laws, they can read about the cyber laws in our system. And if they are not comfortable with English, they have multilingual support like Hindi, Marathi. Okay, here you can see the home page and here about us page. Let me log out and go to the admin page. Here is the admin page. Here admin overview, total reports submitted, we can see here pending analysis, total users. Here there is a graph of top users this month, recent reports. Here there are types: email hacking, fraud call, phishing, this type of all. And here settings are there. The API configuration can be done here, general settings can be done here. The admin page is basically dedicated interface where authorized administration can manage users, monitor submitted reports, review users, and also all admin actions are secured with the role-based authentication. This section helps maintain the overall health of the system, ensures data accuracy, and keep educational content up to date. This is our project. So after explaining this feature wise technical implementation, I would also like you to share a brief update regarding our research contribution. Our research paper based on JusticeAssist has been submitted to IEEE PuneCon, and we are currently awaiting the final decision from the review committee. Along with that, we have also submitted our work to ICC TVB conference, where we have already received the registration link and confirmation for participation. Additionally, our project has been copyrighted, and we have also received sponsorship support, which further recognize the value of this work. Thank you for listening. I hope you liked it.